Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in English grammar. That is, you guessed it right, that's pronouns. Now, if you want to speak English naturally, smoothly, and confidently, then pronouns are your best friend, right? Most learners use nouns again and again in a sentence, and that makes the English sound repetitive. But with pronouns, your sentences become smarter and more fluent. So stay with me and to the end because I want to teach you all the types of pronouns with simple tricks, examples, and a quick quiz. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. To avoid repetition, to make sentences shorter and clearer. For example, if I say Rajesh is a trainer, Rajesh helps people, Rajesh teaches daily, Rajesh. Repetitive, right? And that sounds very irritating as well to your ears. Rather, what you would say is Rajesh is a trainer, he helps people, and he teaches daily. That would make more sense. So pronouns are always he, she, it, they, them, him, her, this, that, and many more. Let's talk about different types of pronouns. We're mainly going to stick to the top 10 types of pronouns, and we're going to start with the personal pronoun. Like we spoke just now, he, she, her, him, those are your personal pronouns. I am learning English. You are learning English. That's your personal pronoun, right? They are watching the video. He is watching a video. She is watching a video. He, she, they, them, those are your personal pronouns in first person, second person, third person. Next, possessive pronouns. His, hers, mine, yours, ours, theirs. Those are your possessive pronouns. For example, this phone is mine. This bag belongs to him. This bottle is hers. That's your possessive pronouns. When you possess something, right? Something that belongs to you. That's your possessive pronoun. Now let's talk about the reflexive pronoun. Your reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same person. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, right? Example, I taught myself English. She cooked food herself. But remember this is very important. You would never say, I myself cooked it. That's incorrect English. You cannot use the reflexive pronoun with pronoun, right? I or he himself drove to the office. Incorrect. You would say he drove to the office all by himself. There always has to be a word or a phrase between a pronoun and the reflexive pronoun, proper pronoun, the personal pronoun, and a reflexive pronoun. They got to be a word or a phrase or a sentence before you use it. Do not use those together. Now let's look at demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is used to point at things. Example, the words would be this, that, those, these. For examples, this is my laptop. Those are your documents. Tips. For nearby objects, say this and these. For far objects, say those and that. Let's look at interrogative pronoun, which is basically says interrogation, not in the police station, not that we're talking about, but asking questions. Who, whom, which, whose, right? That examples would be the woman who called you is waiting. The book that you gave me is helpful. For people, always use who and whom. For objects, for things, use which. For both, use that. Let's look at indefinite pronouns now. Indefinite, like the word itself says, something that cannot be specifically named. For example, someone, everyone, anybody, everybody, all, few, many. Examples would be everyone is ready, nothing is impossible. Learning English is not impossible. Impossible itself says I'm possible. Then we have distributive pronouns. It refers to group members one at a time. The words that falls under this category, under distributive pronoun, is each, neither, nor, either, or. Right? Examples: each one of you will present today. So it's teacher talking in the class or trainer talking in the training room to the batch, to the group. He's talking about everyone. He's identifying everyone when he is assigning a task. Each one of you will present today. Neither of the option is correct, or either of the answer is okay. Let's look at reciprocal pronoun. This shows mutual action, such as each other, one another. Examples: they respect each other. The team helped one another. Then we have intensive pronouns. This is used to emphasize a noun, right? Intensive pronoun is used to emphasize a noun. Example: myself, yourself. It is same as reflexive pronoun. So the CEO, example, okay? The CEO himself approved it. So common pronoun mistakes that we make usually is we mix genders, such as he is my sister, she is my sister. That's the correct sentence, right? Not he is my sister. Then using me instead of I. Me and John went. John and I went. That would be the correct sentence. Using there for things. Example: the company changed their policy. That's incorrect. You would say the company changed its policy. Let's look at some real life communication examples here. Let's take a call center example. Okay, you'd say, I understand your concern. Let me check this for you. We will send you an update shortly. Yeah. Daily English example. They told me to join them later. Okay. Here's a quick quiz for you. Fill in the blanks. Put in the answer in the comment section, and we'll see who got it right. This is Maria. Dash is my best friend. This is Maria. Dash is my best friend. Second, we enjoyed dash at the party. Next, dash of the options is correct. All right. So, great job if you got understood the pronouns. It's pretty easy but very important. right? Now you know all the types of pronouns with examples. Pronouns may look small, but they make your English clear, right? If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share it with family, friends. You're watching Speak Fluent English with Rajesh, and I will see you in the next video.